Good morning, students. This is As Mohammed Khan from SKM Public School. Today, I welcome you with one interesting topic, that is excretion in plant. Here, students, plants also excrete like us. They also get rid from their waste. If they didn't get rid from the waste, then what would be happen with them? They may die, student, because the metabolic waste or the waste may be stored and all the metabolic activities may be stopped. That's why the excretion in plant is one important process from which they get rid of the waste. So student, there are the different type of waste are produced in the plants. First is respiratory waste. Respiratory waste. Second is photosynthetic waste. Photosynthetic waste. Third is metabolic waste. These are the three types of waste, student, that are produced inside the body of the plants. So the first waste, respiratory waste, student. During the respiration, plant also exhale, student. They also exhale carbon dioxide and water. So what is their respiratory waste? It is water and carbon dioxide. And this water and carbon dioxide they remove with the help of their stomata, student. So what are the respiratory waste, student? Water and carbon dioxide. Now how are they produced? Plants also need energy, student. Need energy for the growth, need energy for the repair, need energy to do the different type of metabolic activity. So at that time, what they release, student, they release water and carbon dioxide. And that water and carbon dioxide is removed by their different parts with the help of small pores. Those small pores are generally found under the leaves and what we call them stomata. And in the stem also, student, there are the small pores are found and those small pores are known as lenticles. So with the help of the stomata and lenticles, what they remove? They remove water and carbon dioxide. And these are the respiratory waste. Now we come on the photosynthetic waste. Like the respiratory waste, student, there are the different types of photosynthetic waste, and in this what is common? Water is common. And in the place of carbon dioxide, there is oxygen. So water and oxygen are removed by their body due to the photosynthesis. Means what they do? They take the carbon dioxide and what they remove water and oxygen during the photosynthesis, student. And they remove this with the help of again stomata and the lenticles. Now we come on the metabolic waste. There are different type of biochemical reactions takes place, student, inside the different parts of the plants. And due to those biochemical reactions, there are some waste are produced, and those waste are stored in the vacuole, student. Where are they stored? They are stored in vacuoles. Vacuoles of the plant cell, they are stored, and those stored waste, those stored metabolic waste are removed by the different process. Like some plants, or most of the plants we can say, they shed their leaves. Means those metabolic waste are stored in their leaves, from which the color of the leaves is changed from green to yellow. And in a particular season, those leaves are shaded down, and with the help of that, they also get rid of the waste. So first way from which we get rid from the waste, which is by shredded leaves. By shedding leaves, student. Next important thing from which they get rid from the waste, student, they also store the waste around their stem in the form of bark, and that bark is used for the different purposes by us, especially those barks are used as medicines. With this, some trees also remove some secretion from their stem in the form of latex, resin, and gums. Latex, resin, and gums. So, in the form of by stem. By stem, they also get rid from the waste, student, in the form of gums, and I am writing here. Here I am writing in the form of gums, resin, and latex. These are the three important secretions that are done by the plant with the help of their stem. And in this, again, the small pores play very important role, and what we call them on the stem, they are known as lenticels. Next is, students, by fruit. As you know that the fruit is the important part of the plant, and it is developed from the ovary of the flower. And in this fruit, student, they also store their waste material. And in a particular season, when those fruits are shedded down, then with the help of the shedding of the fruits, they also get rid from the waste. So by fruits also they get rid from the waste. So by fruit they also get rid. Next is by roots, student. By roots. Many times, student, when you uproot a plant, then you should try to observe the soil around the root. Now, what will you observe in that? You will observe the texture of the soil is completely changed. Means the color of the soil is completely changed. Why, student? Because with the help of the roots, some waste material is also diffused by the plant. Means some waste materials are diffused around the roots, due to which the texture of the soil is changed. So by the roots also, student, plants get rid from the waste. So these are the waste, student, from which the plants get rid from the waste. And this getting rid of the waste is known as excretion. So the plants also have the excretion like us. Now this important topic you will try to note down in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.